Alright, so this is mostly done. I started a DIY turkey blind a couple of weeks ago with Fiona, and so we basically just built, kind of a lean-to structure against a tree with some sticks and branches to begin with, and then we started filling it out with pine, and then I just added a few more dead branches in front of it just to kind of fill it in. So at this point, Fiona's sitting in the blind and she's wearing blue jeans, so you can kind of see her. Um, but obviously, we'll be wearing full camo when we're turkey hunting, and definitely going to recommend for both of us gloves and a face mask or face paint, just so our skin isn't flashing, between the branches and everything. So Fiona's sitting in there right now, and yeah, you can barely even see her. Just kind of looks like a pile of sticks, which is the goal. Don't want to be too conspicuous. And you look like a pile of sticks, yeah. Oh, and thorns are plenty. So the next step before turkey season is I got to get in there and actually trim out some of the thorns so we can both fit in there comfortably, because Fiona's going to be sitting against the tree or something like that. There's a whole bunch of thorns there right now, but yeah. So can I try and get in there a little, Fiona, just to see what it looks like from?
I can't really move over. I can try.
Just see what it looks like from inside.
Something's stabbing my leg.
Yep, that would be a thorn.
No, it's a stick.
This will be perfect. So, yeah.
I'm gonna get like termite bites.
Yeah, so this works. And, obviously all these are movable, so if turkey does come, we'll be able to just move them out of the way and take a shot. Put the decoys right out there. Should be good.